Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. It's time for a bird video. Alright, check this out now. I'm recording the birds watching themselves while I'm editing the video that I just recorded of them that I'm about to put up. So you see what I'm saying? Look at all this. Here we go. I think that's one. Check it out. I'm recording the birds watching themselves while I edit the video that I just recorded of themselves watching themselves. The only down and I enjoy. Well, the head just exploded with excitement while watching themselves. Wonder what happened to it. Sorry about the bad the camera shaking. This is a real tough angle to get. I'm going to actually have to set up a mount to do a good shot like this, but this is actually probably a good little shot. I could work on some background and everything, or maybe finding a way to tighten up the cage for shots like this. Cool, now I don't even have to talk to the birds anymore live. I can do it over the TV. Crazy.
What you doing? Hey bird! Hey girl! Hey! Hey!
Like I said, I don't even have to do it no more. I can just let my TV do it for me.
Yeah!
This is awesome.
Pop goes the weasel because the weasel goes pop!
I'm telling you, this is hilarious. Watching my birds watch themselves on TV. This is so hilarious. This is some retarded genius stuff right here. I cannot wait to replay this and record them watching all of this going on at once on the big screen. And again, I'm just getting started with my big screens. I want to get, this is only 42 inches. I can't wait in 1080p. I can't wait to go 4K, like 55 inch or something eventually. This is going to be so awesome. Look at this. And like I said, look at the mirror. They're watching themselves while watching themselves while watching themselves. They really love me. Look how crazy they're going over my voice and my whistling. They absolutely love that. They absolutely love that. Love my attention. That means I got me some really happy birds, everybody. That's exactly what that means. And look at these guys. They're the happiest little birds you ever seen, huh?
What have we got on the agenda?
That was actually pretty cool.
A whole lot. Figured I'd give y'all a little look around. Alright.
Not much has changed. A little bit has, but not much since that video.
So I'm moving it around a little bit. Setting it up. So we can all have some fun. This is what I was talking about. Moving the cage. This flip up table. Now I have to put them up and knock it out if I want to walk outside. So it's good for everybody, huh? Huh, Jay? It's good for everybody, huh? Man, what did you guys do today? Knocking everything over. Alright, guys. Okay, bird. Up. Up. Good bird.
There we go. I readjusted the angle, and I think I got a better view. Look at this. I got the mirror pointed at the TV. They're watching themselves on the TV, on the mirror pointed down. So what they're doing is they're seeing themselves, and they're seeing themselves, and they're seeing themselves. So they've actually got, look, what I'm guessing is 3 sets of themselves now in that mirror. Does that make any sense? Now if I back out, let's see if I can get technically all 4 of them in. Yeah, they're having a ball on this now. Let's see here. Well, this is tough. Let's see. But anyway, yeah. Pretty much got all 4 birds in. Now, if I play this back, then they're going to be watching technically 4 birds at a time. Then if they watch the mirror, they'll be seeing themselves, the 4 birds in the TV, the 4 birds in the mirror and the TV if it's everything's in focus just right. Then if I play it back, it goes off into infinity and beyond, right, birds? Ain't that right, J and K? Is that what we're gonna do with that? Yeah. What do you think of that little toy going on? You like that little setup? Do you get what I'm getting at? They're watching themselves. This is hilarious. This is some retarded genius stuff right here. I've definitely got to upload that. Birdies, birdies, JK, my little buddies, what you doing? What you got to say today, man? Okay, girl, you gonna preach? Anything you gonna get off your little birdie brain? You're crazy, birdie, man. They're crazy little birdie birds. Yeah. See if we can do some more watching them watching themselves.
It's time for a bird video.
Oh, look at that. That's the first time I put the mirror up. I just got that. That's coincidence. That's just total coincidence. I just had this thing on autoplay. Haha, crazy. So you're listening to me talk about it.
cage, flip-up table. Now I have to put them up and knock it out if I want to walk outside.
People, I wasn't kidding when I said I record the birds. I record the... Hold on, let me turn that down a little bit.
Their recommendation
But look at these guys.
asking all the children. It's deeply important that we ask all of the
Okay.
pretty much.
I told you I wasn't kidding when I said I record these guys watching themselves. See? On the TV. Okay. But not only that, listen to that almost, what do you call it when you're simultaneous? But anyway, I got it reflecting back down, so now this bird is like, see, watching it themselves out of one eye, and watching the reflection of the TV, watching itself, so it's actually watching itself twice. You see what I'm getting at? But then when it walks around to the other side, it's got the zoom-in mirror on this side, so it's looking down, and instead of looking down, it's actually looking back up at a zoom-in on the wall, over here. You know, and again, the opposite going down to the TV. When the bird's looking up at the wall, it's actually seeing a TV image of this, but it's also seeing a TV image of it going out this way. And look at the birds; they're just like, what on earth is going on? And if you want to, and if you want to know what we're watching here. It's this one, more chain play with J&K Budgie Buddies. Alright guys, check it out.
Instead, the American Academy of Pediatrics said I'm supposed to ask my 2-year-old or my 3-year-old based on what? The risk that they're going to get hit by lightning? Right? A risk lower than pneumonia? Are you kidding me? I mean, it's just bad public policy, and it's being pushed at all these people. Why? Because if you are in a public health situation, right? If you're a public health expert, your sole goal is to quote-unquote kill COVID. But that's not a real goal, right? It's never going to go zero. COVID is likely to turn into something seasonal, a weak strain of the flu, maybe like a cold eventually, we can hope. But COVID is unlikely to go away, it's just too widespread. It's not going to go away. There are millions and millions and millions of people who have already had it, who might get it again.
That's a reasonable thing to do.
It is not a reasonable thing to do. The fact that we're pretending it's reasonable to mask up 3 doses is insane. It's totally crazy. And by the way, if you're worried your 3-year-old's going to get it, your kid is in that 95. Now you're going to say to yourself, wait a second, my 3-year-old isn't capable of properly running that 95. Right, your 3-year-old isn't capable of properly running that period. Right, that's the whole point. That's foolish. LA County, by the way, here's the point. Let me show you how bad the report is. It is from Yahoo. LA County is now reporting more than 10,000 coronavirus cases a week. A pace not seen since March. An alarming sign of the dangers the Delta variant poses to people who have not been vaccinated and the heightening pressure on health officials to reverse the trend. So, what does this mean? Okay, so, LA County, how many deaths are they having? And because I know you've been talking about cases now, right? Cases are new cases. My goodness. They're saying like 10,000 cases that are diagnosed every day. Okay, here's the number of deaths in LA County. Okay? Average, 7-day average, the only average per day, 6. 6. The population of LA County is like 10 million people. So 6 people are dying a day in LA County of COVID. You're talking about forcing everybody to mask in your places. And mask up on campus. You're talking about this is a massive thing. 10,000 coronavirus a week. That's 400.
This is the most adorable little bird. J&K, what do you got to say today? Y'all on display. Come on. Set the roof on fire. Make some noise. What was that all about? It's like 6 times lower than the rate of death on a daily average. Now, check this out. I'm recording the birds watching themselves while I'm editing the video of them watching themselves. Ha ha ha. How about that? Ain't that crazy? Oh, stink. This is awesome. I'm telling you, this is hilarious. Watching my birds watch themselves on TV. This is so hilarious. This is some retarded genius stuff right here. I cannot wait to replay this and record them watching all of this going on at once on the big screen. And again, I'm just getting started with my big screens. I want to get it. This is only 42 inches. I can't wait in 1080p. I can't wait to go 4K, like 55 inch or something eventually. This is going to be so awesome. Look at this. And like I said, look at the mirror. They're watching themselves while watching themselves while watching themselves. They really love me. Look how crazy they're going over my voice and my whistling. They actually love that. They actually love that. Love my attention. That means I got me some really happy birds, everybody. That's exactly what that means. And look at these guys. They're the happiest little birds you ever seen. That was actually cool. That message changed a little bit, but not much, since that video. Setting it up. This is crazy. This guy's talking about moving the cage. Now I have to put him up and knock it out. This is just too much fun. Good for everybody. Yeah. You got to be cool little birds. Way too much fun.
Answer the phone, Joshua!